In what language was the Old Testament written? Option A, English. Option B, Greek. Option C, Hindi. Option D, Hebrew. Right answer is option D, Hebrew. In what language was the New Testament written? Option A, Hindi. Option B, English. Option C, Hebrew. Option D, Greek. Right answer is option D, Greek. How many books are in the Old Testament? Option A, 27. Option B, 66. Option C, 40. Option D, 39. Right answer is option D, 39. How many books are in the New Testament? Option A, 66. Option B, 39. Option C, 50. Option D, 27. Right answer is option D, 27. How many books are in the Bible? Option A, 27. Option B, 39. Option C, 45. Option D, 66. Right answer is option D, 66.